Hello, my name is Charles Sanders and I'm a personal injury lawyer with the Rose Sanders Law Firm. Now, today I want to address a question that gets asked to us every single day. That is, after a car or a truck accident, do I need to call the police? The answer is yes. Please call the police. Please get adequate documentation. Without an accident report, it does make the case a little bit more difficult. At Rose Sanders Law, we have successfully gotten clients large settlements without accident reports. But if you can, call the police, wait, get the citizens exchange of information so that you can tell your lawyer and that we can help facilitate your claim faster. If you have been in an accident and you do have the police report, don't hesitate to give Rose Sanders Law a call at 713-221-3773. And if you like the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, and like.